Hey everybody, it's Dave, and I know I told you I wasn't going to do a video this week. I kind of lied, I am, because when I was on the Moodle site, it looks pretty confusing. So I want to walk through it with you so that we're all on the same page and I can show you what you need to have done for this week. Now, as we go to the Moodle site here, we've got week 7 and 8 is what we're working on. Ancient Greece, the page numbers for the chapter, and the 2 items that are due this week. The artwork and artist statement, along with quiz number 5. Now, the weekly notes are just the same underneath, and I'll add this video as an extra video. But down here, this is the lecture material, and I wanted to walk through it with you. I just finished completing the 3 segments of Ancient Greece. They're each about 15 minutes long, and that's where I'm narrating the slideshow. We also have some other links because there's some in particular artworks that we should focus on, such as the Dying Gaul, the Elgin Marbles, and the Caryatid column. We also have one video on the Parthenon. Now these 3 are very, very easy. They're like 5 minutes at the most, and they focus on that particular artwork. The Parthenon video is optional for you to see, and it is produced by Nova, so it is an hour special, but you only have to watch it if you're really into it and you want to. It is kind of neat. I at least suggest the first 10 minutes of it, but again, I'll leave it up to you. I know it's kind of a busy week and a busy chapter. The study guide, just like all the other weeks that we have, and then we have what's due. Quiz number 5 is going to be short answer. There's only 5 questions and there's 6 points per answer for a total of 30 points for you. And then the instructions are here and you can submit the quiz using this link here. Then we have the artwork and artist statement that is due. It correlates with your early civilizations project. And so if you're going to complete a work of art by an Egyptian civilization, you're going to create something that would fit into that civilization. So we have the written instructions, the video instructions. I have copies of past artworks that students have done to hopefully give you some ideas. And I ask for a series of at least 3 images that you put together of you creating it. I will not accept something where it's just 3 pictures of the finished object or 1 picture of the finished object. It has to be a series of steps. And then all those images are just uploaded through this link here. And that's really about it. It's a pretty straightforward assignment, I think. If you do have questions, again, please feel free to drop me an email. I know a couple of you have already completed the quiz, and that's great. But I wanted to at least go through and touch base on these videos because it kind of looks overwhelming. It isn't. The first 3 videos, they're about 15 minutes each. The next 3 videos are 5 minutes each. And the last video is optional. That's about an hour. But it is a really good video. Anything Nova does is pretty darn good. So with that, I think I've hit on everything I've wanted to. Have a great weekend and week, and I will see you guys next week. We'll be talking about the early Roman civilization of the Etruscans.